How to reinstate your Texas LLC. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Did your Texas LLC lose its active status due to missed filings or payments? Don't worry, it can often be restored through reinstatement, but you'll need to file back reports or annual franchise taxes, pay penalties, and possibly submit a certificate of reinstatement. At Busy will reinstate the process simple and fast so your business can get back in good standing and start operating legally again. So click the link in the description to begin the Texas LLC reinstatement process with Busy. Busy will guide you every step of the way, handle filings, and track deadlines for you. So first, the question is why reinstatement is even needed. Your Texas LLC could be forfeited or suspended if you've missed the Texas Franchise Tax Report, the Public Information Report, one or both of these for consecutive years. Your LLC may have lost protections, legal status, and access to bank accounts or contracts. To bring it back, you need to file all past due reports, pay franchise tax penalties and interest, file a certificate of reinstatement with the Secretary of State. So simply click the link given in the description and you'll be taken over to the interface of Busy. So what you got to do is simply click on Business Management here at the top, and over here you'll be able to see the option that says Reinstatement. So simply click on that and you'll be able to see something like this that says File an order of reinstatement quickly and easily. Click on File your reinstatement, and then you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this. So you're going to give your company information, you're going to select the entity type, and then you're going to select the state of formation, whichever state was that. In our case, it was Texas, so we're going to select Texas. Then you're going to give your company name, and then you're going to select your designator. After that, you're going to give your company address, the street address, city, state, zip code, and then you'll be able to see an order summary here at the right side with the Texas state fee, Texas state annual report fee, and the processing fee, which is total for $25. So once reinstated, Busy will notify you and send the restored certificate of fact, the document showing your LLC is active again. So many business owners choose Busy because of its transparent pricing. There is no hidden statewide surprises. Busy calculate exact amounts owed, full service filing, there is no government portal navigation, no need to hire a CPA or lawyer, dashboard tracking so you can see the status anytime, anywhere. So if you need to make your Texas LLC good again, click the link given in the description to start your reinstatement with Busy. They'll handle the filings, fees, and deadlines so you can get back to business. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want help with reinstatement in other states too. So I'll see you in the next video.